Matnog is a major hub for domestic maritime traffic, making it one of the busiest in the country for its Pacific function, which is the port, the center of its strategic and essential for inter-island movement of people and goods, including vehicles, buses, or trucks, ensuring the continuity of the national supply chain and one of the essentials to the Philippines economy.
Magbalik tanaw po tayo
Para palitan ang kahoy na pantalan ng lansya.
Noong 1980s o base sa historical taong 1982, binuksan ang Matnog Ferry Terminal at parte ng government effort to build RoRo connecting Luzon with the Visayas along Maharlika Highway. Sinimulan din ang service ng government-operated ang barkong Maharlika 1, biyaheng Eastern Seaboard or Visayas.
Presently, the main routes from Matnog Port are Matnog to Allen, Inodor Samar, and Matnog to Bogo City and Cebu.